Hi. Tonight I just finished my live stream on my solar channel and thought it was really important to get out here and tell you guys why this was fresh on my mind. One of the easiest ways to grow your YouTube channel is to start a live stream. YouTube promotes live streams live while you're online. You easily get a lot of extra watch hours and a lot of watch time, and it is really, really super productive for your channel and getting subscribers. It gives them an idea of who you are, it starts to build some credibility with them, and it really starts to attract people. It encourages them to come back and watch your videos. So I encourage you to do as I have done on all of your channels. Start performing live streams and bring back the and not necessarily bring back, bring to the table something useful that you are ready to present. I used to joke when I first started my live stream on my solar channel with the guy who helped me set it up and gave me a lot of extra help at the very beginning. And thanks to him and his team. But I used to joke with him that I would come to a live stream prepared to talk to myself for an hour or two. And then I would be pleasantly surprised when people actually started showing up. Tonight was one of my most successful live streams. I had over 20 people online for most of the event. That is very, very good in my industry. It's been very difficult to build that kind of a live stream. I always have good live streams where the people watch, but very little of them participate. So be prepared to basically present something, whether that's a PowerPoint presentation, whether it's a checklist that you have of things that you can talk about. Just talk about something in general that you think is interesting for the subject matter that matches your channel, and let the chips fall where they may. You'll be pleasantly surprised when people start showing up for your live stream and find out that you actually can do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps and I hope this encourages you to do it now. You don't need any fancy equipment. Just use the software that's already provided with YouTube. Use the camera in your computer. And if you've got a microphone, that's great. If you don't, use the microphone that's on your laptop like I'm doing here. It'll look good, it'll sound good, and people will love it. It's a great way to promote your channel, and I hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.